I think it's like checkout time now. Gosh, it's really quiet, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think all of these are the rooms then, because they go either side of the general store here and up there.
Yeah.
But I think up there's to the park.
Yeah.
So we've just got Starbucks at Cheyenne. What is it? I've had a toasty. What have you had?
It's like a sandwich, but a hot sandwich.
And then
nice and hot, actually.
Oh, that's good. And then a tall Americano. But
Yeah.
what's in yours? Is it ham and mozzarella?
Emmentaler.
So there's a walkway 15 minutes past Billy the Kid. There's the Starbucks on the right there. And we're going to head straight down here in minutes. Let's see if it is that long. We've made it to Disneyland Paris. I've got no makeup on because I've got our cases until our room's ready. But we're going to go head in now. We're just doing the walk, which has been about 10-15 minutes from Cheyenne. And yeah, just excited. It's not raining, which I was meant to, so yeah. And we've seen Woody and Jessie already in the hotel, which was very exciting. Very busy as it crossed over with checkout time. But yeah, let's head on in. I think, is this Hotel New York? I think, which is now the Marvel Hotel. I didn't realise how far set back Newport Bay is, but you would definitely spend about 5 minutes walking. Oh, can you come from that side as well? That's not too bad. It's very big, isn't it?
Yeah, you have to go. I remember going around the lake.
Look at the hotel. Is it still called Hotel New York though, or is it Hotel Marvel? I don't know. Look at the Christmas tree.
Marvel underneath it.
Oh yeah. I can just about without my glasses on.
Logo.
Yeah. This looks lovely. I do not remember this from my last trip. And that's so nice. It is so expensive. Now that it's Marvel, it's very expensive. How cool are these? So all of that must be the hotel as well, Mum?
Yeah, it is.
Quite a lot of rooms. That's no Cafe Mickey with the characters. They've not reopened that yet. Look at the Christmas decorations. So we're going to feel festive after this trip.
Oh, it's got to get weird.
Look at all these decorations. They're massive, those walls, aren't they? They're everywhere. They're over there as well. How cute is that entrance with the festive decorations? Probably can't hear me because that music. Lots of selfie opportunities. I feel festive already. There's that path to Newport Bay we were on about earlier, so you don't have to go all the way around. Oh yeah, definitely.
You walk past the station to the buzzies there.
Yes, but isn't that for like when you're not staying on site, or is that when you're staying on site as well?
For on site as well.
Oh, okay, and then you just walk down there to this entrance, whereas we'll go down this way. Yeah, yeah. I missed that from. They don't have that in like Hollywood Studios, do they? Have made it to. We're going in the Studios Park, and then we're going to Disneyland Park this afternoon, as we've got a dinner reservation because we've been up since 3 AM, so we think we're going to be quite tired, so we've got a 3:30 kind of dinner. So let's go. Look at all the lights though. Yeah. Busy in here now.
Yeah.
Statue with the lights. Hollywood Tower Hotel in the background. First ride. I think it's slightly different. You can hear the music. It made me jump then. It's like a pirate ship but an RC racer. Ooh. It's higher than you think as well. Yeah. Waiting for the Christmas show. Then we're going to give this a try, Stitch Live. Haven't done that before. So excited to be here. It's so festive. All of my nice masks are in the case, which is in the holding bit in the hotel. Oh my gosh, these birds are flying low. Ooh. Okay, we can in a minute. Oh no, there's Donald! Look at Donald! What's it called? Stitch Live. We've just done Stitch Live and it was really good. It's really similar to Monsters Inc. Laugh Floor. We didn't get picked on, did we? My dad's been picked on before in that, and it was really funny, but they got the little kids involved, which was nice. Definitely worth doing. It's just behind me there, the Stitch one. Really fun, and they do it in English and French. Thank you, Mum. Yeah, so just check the timing because they do it in both. I don't think it looks as freaky as it used to.
No, I mean it helps that it's got to be dusty, doesn't it?
Well yeah, they don't have to clean it. Excited!
go up and then down.
I think so, because we're on the ground floor. I think it's
so you
up.
get 2 goes with it.
Here, aren't you, so? It dropped about 10 times up and down. I think that drops more than Florida. Oh my god. What a view from up the top though. Everything dropped. Oh my goodness me. Glad we did that before lunch. It was dinner. Yeah, they're like, I can't remember this ride. Let's have a go. We've just done Ratatouille. Really enjoyed it. It's so clever, the technology. I'm so glad it's in Florida now. Really lots of fun. Mum loved it as well. Now we're heading into the Disneyland park as we've got I say dinner reservation. It's at 3:30, but we were up at 3 AM this morning, so we've got a dinner reservation at 3:30 at Silverspoon, so we're going to have that now. Just take a short walk over. We're going to walk into a Disneyland park, into a Disney park. Can we get in this way? Should we have a look? It says Happy Holidays. All the trains coming in, is there? Oh, look at it. That's decorated for Christmas as well. Here we go. This time 2 years ago we were in Florida, and now we're in Disneyland Paris. Oh, the Christmas tree's up as well. This is so exciting. Look at the tree. Look at these. I know. Well, I've never worn a coat in Florida, but it is blue skies coming out. City Hall's decorated. Oh, just watch your step. Literally, I'm so happy right now. Taking it all in. Oh, look at Pluto. And the big, big tree. Look how big this tree is. I'm just getting used to seeing a main street with a tree on now. Here we go, we're going down Main Street. And the castle isn't boxed up. Oh my god, look, it's not boxed up. They've been doing work on it.
Yeah.
It is such a pretty castle. Mum's noticed all of the Christmas pictures in. Look at that. Oh my gosh, we're going to feel festive. Oh, look at these. So happy to be here. Look at that. And there's blue skies coming out. If you want a nice picture, sat down on this bench here. It's got a good one of the castle. Yeah, it's nice, and it rests your legs as well. This is our dinner lunch of choice. So this is the menu. So starter and main course is €30, or the 3 is 40. We're just going to do the 2. Although they've told us there isn't any steak in a steakhouse. What? So I'm going to have to go for the pork ribs, I think, but I'm so sad that there's no steak. It's only 3:30 as well, so sad times, but I'm sure it'll be nice. I had the cowboy platter, but some things are missing because I asked them to be. I didn't want the guacamole and I didn't want the jalapenos. So this is like a pork, is it quesadilla? The onion rings, and then, yeah, got chicken wings, got some nice bread, and Mum's got, what is it, silver salad? Yeah. Silver salad. So let's dig in. There was literally 5 minutes. Okay, so I've had the pork ribs with barbecue, just barbecue sauce, and then you get some herby potatoes and corn on the cob and beans, and you've had the chicken, and basically all the same, but you've had barbecue and bacon sauce, haven't you? Enjoy! That was so filling. We both said a lot of meat, wasn't it?
Yeah.
You're gonna have to roll us out of here, I think. So we've just had our 2 courses here. I would rate it 4 out of 5 because they didn't have steak, but loads of quality, nice quality and loads of meat, literally loads. I'm so full now. What do you rate it, Mum, out of 5? I said 4. I said 4 because they didn't have steak. That was my at a steakhouse. So nice. Let's get 20 minutes. Is it Phantom Manor? That's what it's called. I think it is. Let's go. Get this view. The lighting's quite nice. I'll have a look down there, Mum. I love this thunder here. So we've done Phantom Manor, about a 20-minute wait, not too bad. The walking escalators I think I've got a bit quicker, or I've just gotten slower. But we're going to go and head to, where we're heading? Pirates now, so we'll see how long that is. Hello! Hi Baloo! Have a nice evening! Thank you! See you! Oh, bye! Late night pirates, not late night, it's 5 o'clock. We've chosen pirates so we can just sit down and rest our feet. How beautiful is Main Street. And then got this castle. Look how stunning this looks. I feel so lucky that we're here when, you know, the boarding that isn't there. The boarding, I can't talk, I'm so tired. We're gonna go check into our room because it's ready, it's been ready since 3. But we are just waiting to see if there's a parade, so we'll just see. So, change of plan, we were gonna go to the hotel now, but we're gonna going to watch Mickey's Dazzling Christmas Parade instead, because we don't know if it's on the rest of the time we're here, so yeah, it'll be so nice to see a parade.
Les enfants, Charlie!
There he is! Yeah! Woo! Look at his tree! It's so nice to see a nighttime parade. Yes, dude! Woo! Yeah! Even now, this bake shop, something smells, or that smells divine. Yeah. Look at all the lights. Oh, Mum, look at it. How dreamy is this?
Yeah.
Ah, and music. A Christmas parade with Santa. See you tomorrow. We're at Disney and we still find the Grand Prix outside the sports bar. We have gotten into the F1 more and more the past few years, and we're in downtown Disney, and look what's on the telly because we're missing it. F1. My dad would be proud. We didn't know if we'd be able to catch any of it, but it's on the big screen. 3 hot drinks. They did not have the hot chocolate, so I've gone for this milk chocolate drink. No idea what I'm going to get, but it's free, included in my ticket, so I'm going to give it a go. I think it's going to be cold milk, but I don't really care. Mum's gone for a latte. Cafe au lait. They didn't tell us in reception about this. It's because I saw someone's vlog. They said you get 4 free drinks. Well, depending on how long you stay, you get a free drink per night. So we've just come to grab them.